Isa si Alfred Vargas sa talagang sobrang humahanga kay superstar Nora Honor. Katunayan sa Pieta na kanilang movie, sinabi niya na nakakabilib daw ang humility ni Ate Guy. Sabi nga niya, yun pala ang Nora Honor, magic, yun ang sinasabi ng iba. Well, sabi nga natin, lahat ng kabutihan ay lumabas talaga. But anyway, ganun talaga ang isang superstar. Narito ang nakakaantig na naging mensahe at kwento ni Alfred Vargas bilang nakasama niya rin sa proyekto ang isang superstar Nora Honor. This scene was taken from one of Ate Guy's last ever films, Pieta. I played Isaac, her long-lost son. When Isaac finally returned home, he was greeted by a mother who couldn't remember anything anymore. Instead of surprising his mother, he ended up the one being surprised for the wrong reasons. Pieta is a story about love, family, truth, mistakes, and forgiveness. This was a painful but loving scene at the same time. Painful because Rebecca, Nora Honor's character, the mother of Isaac, couldn't recognize her son at all. Loving because she still showed how much she cared for and loved her son despite the incomprehensible situation. Ate Guy, working with you has been one of the greatest honors of my life. As an actor and as a human being, you have touched my heart. You have taught me so much without saying anything, and you have inspired me tremendously by mentoring me through our scenes together. Pieta will always be one of the most special and favorite films I've done my entire life because of you. The most important lesson I learned from you is that true stars shine because of their humility and generosity in everything they do and whoever they meet. Sa'yo ko naramdaman ito ng sobra, Ate Guy. Maraming salamat dahil tinanggap mo ako sa puso mo at nagkaroon ako ng chance to work at makilala ang one and only superstar that we'll ever have. Rest in peace, Ate Guy. Mahal na mahal kita. Yan nga ang nakakaiyak at talaga namang tago sa puso na mensahe ni Alfred Vargas para sa superstar. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.